Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year 2015.
We are so grateful for your financial support and your prayer support in the past year. It has helped us to produce more soul-winning La Bonne Nouvelle episodes here in Haiti.
And in the upcoming year of 2015, we need your help. We need you to help support us on a monthly basis so that we can go do the work that God has given us. We also need one-time gifts. We have equipment that we need to purchase here in Haiti. We have to have a new vehicle. We're driving a 1995 vehicle, which means in 2015 it's going to be 20 years old. And we need your help to be able to wait. $35,000 is our budget for that. If God puts it on your heart to help us towards that $35,000 or one check of $35,000, we're okay with that. But we just went somewhere this morning to go film way up in the mountains, and by the time we got to the top, the radiator was boiling over one more time, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, and that's a radiator I brought in my suitcase.
We're the Trimbles from Haiti. Wallace and Eleanor were 90 years old. We started work in Haiti in 1946. Our first service had 3 people from the vicinity come. We taught them, and now they've grown to an association of 380 churches. They have 350 schools. This year, 53,000 kids in them. And we appreciate people like Brother Joel and Sister Yvonne, who are working very hard to help to spread the gospel in the country. The whole country appreciates Frere Joel. He's well known. And these folks need support. We would be very happy if anyone would take it on their heart to help him with this unique ministry.
The bottom line is that as the Trimbles serve and make possible to the rural and city populations of this nation, that the final answer is Haiti for Christ.
Thank you for helping us. Thank you for standing with us. Look at our website, HaitiForChrist.net, and make a donation on a monthly basis, or if God puts it up in your heart, so you can give us a one-time sacrificial gift so that help us win Haiti for Christ here in Haiti. We thank you very much for your support.